Hey everyone, sorry for the wait in getting this video out, but here it is finally. The Freedom Performance Combat 2-in-1 with a performance baffle on the 2022 Indian Chief Dark Horse. The Combat Performance 2-in-1 is a full exhaust system, so it does remove the catalytic converters. It is a shorty system designed for maximum performance. Or recommend not watching this video just with your phone speakers. The exhaust tone is very, very deep on this bike, so you're not going to get the full effect.